Hi guys, okay, I'm actually back again on this influencer cash site, and I wanted to show you guys the progress and in what I've seen, just on the first day. So right over here, as you see on the right hand side, I've already got $29 worth of earnings going on here. And I also wanted to go back to the original home page here because I'm going to scroll down. I need to scroll down. Here is the leaderboard. Now this company, guys, has been around since 2012, so they've got quite a history here. And as you can see, look at the earnings right here, guys. Okay, this is in the millions. 1.5 million, 1.4 million, 1.1. See, this is the power of, and obviously it goes down. Here's 973,000, so this is just some of the top leaders. And as you can see, you can share this. They literally give you copy of how you can share this. So I wanted to go back. Let me go back here. Let's say you're doing a YouTube submission, or I'll click on, for example, Instagram submission. Make an Instagram post about influencer cash, how it works, how much you've made, and why you love it. And you use the content to shown below. Submit the link below to earn $10. You can find images to post here. So here you click here and there's images. You can submit one post every 48 hours. So this is awesome, guys. They give you the step-by-step. You can do a YouTube submission as well. So let's click on this. Create a YouTube video talking about influencer cash, how it works, how much you've made, and why you love it. Once finished, upload it to YouTube and use the title and description provided below. Then enter the video link below to earn 50 bucks, guys. They just tell you right here absolutely how to do this. So just incredible. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to go ahead and put the information here. I'm going to copy and paste the details here for the video description and do the video link, and obviously submit the details here. So just absolutely incredible, guys. Just really, really cool. And this is how subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then you are being presented, guys, as the featured ad influencer. Essentially, you are being presented as the featured ad influencer. And as you can see right here on the screen, you can do Twitter. You can really have fun with this, guys. So just wanted to give you the update, and not too bad for my first day. The day isn't over. This is my first day earnings, so obviously I can escalate that, the $25 bonus. I can also escalate it, the $50 bonus, so obviously this company is being generous for participating in their advertising platform. So it's essentially, we're getting to profit share with this company. Being an influencer essentially is getting the products out there, getting it known, and being rewarded handsomely for it. And it's so encouraging. When I saw the leaderboard, it was really so encouraging to see that this is collective amounts that people have earned. And these companies, they need us. They need the average person, the typical person out there, to really get to do the influence and get the details of what they have to offer out there. So anyway, make it a great one, guys. Take care.